Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a few good things for you. We're doing a little tutorial on the corner garden shawlette that's in my new book, One Skein Crochet. And if you wait till the end, there's a giveaway. So let's talk about that, shall we? So in the book, we're only doing projects that maximize the use of one skein. And so I'm going to post a picture here of the corner garden shawlette. And another picture maybe. And here is the actual shawlette in front of me, and it's this little triangular piece where the edging is integrated on as the rows are worked. And so I wanted to show you two little tricks to make this pattern. So it's a triangular piece, and there's taller stitches on one edge, and towards the middle there's some shorter stitches. Well, the shorter stitches an extended single crochet. So let's talk about how to make that, and then I'll show you how to make the edge leaf as well. So I have a little, here's another picture of the shawlette. I think there's more pictures in here, but I really ought to just get started, shouldn't I? There's another picture of it, the corner garden shawlette. For demonstration purposes, I'm using a solid pink yarn so that you can see the stitches better than in the multicolored yarn. And I have some stitches, some double crochets ready. This is how we started at the bottom down here. I am now 4 rows in, and I want to show you the extended single crochet. So the extended single crochet, we do it because it's a little bit taller than a single crochet, a little shorter than a half double, and so it makes the middle part of the shawlette a little shorter so that the whole triangle is flatter. I'm not sure the technical word, not obtuse, not acute, I'm not sure, but it makes the triangle flatter. So the extended single crochet is insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through just 1 loop on the hook instead of 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2 again. So it's like halfway between a single crochet and a double crochet. It's in terms of its method. So again, we'll do another couple, insert the hook, pull up a loop through the fabric, yarn over, pull through just 1 loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, and let's see what these look like up close. So these are double crochets here, and then these are single crochets, and you can see it looks like almost like a single crochet sitting on top of a loop. It almost looks like a little person, a little body, little legs with no head. So the extended single crochet. So the point of the project is a extended 2 single crochets. I'm sorry, 2 chains, and then another extended single crochet. The extended single crochet is abbreviated ESC. So we're inserting the hook, yarning over, pulling through just 1 loop on the hook, yarning over and pulling through 2. And all the instructions, of course, and the diagram are in the book. I'm not going to go through all of the instructions here today or go through the diagram, but I wanted to show you how to do the extended single crochet in case you needed help. The last 4 stitches of this row are all double crochet, so I'm making regular plain old double crochet until we get to the edge leaf, which I'm going to show you. So 1 more double crochet. So the edge leaf is this little doodad here, that is a decorative piece that hangs off the side so that you don't have to do an edging when you're done with the project. When you're done with the project, these will already be there and you'll be done. So there's no edging necessary. So we work that edging as we go, and we're going to do it together now. So at the end of the specified rows, we will chain 1, 2, 3, 4, then 3 double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. So down here, 3 double crochets in there. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. Then we're going to chain 3 and still continuing to work in this little doodad. So we worked this way, worked across here, and I did 4 chains, 3 double crochets, and I'm kind of rotating my work. So here's the 4 chains that we just did. Here's 1, 2, 3 double crochets we just made. I just chained 3 more. Now I'm going to place 3 double crochets around the post of that last double crochet. Are you seeing it? Do I need to show it to you flatter? Let me give you a better view. So we worked off the edge here, then we chained 4, we put 3 double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook, we chained 3, and we're going to place 3 double crochets over here around the post of that last stitch made. So I'm just rotating it a little bit so that I can, and you can see where the hook is going to go. It's going to go around the post of this last stitch so that you can get a better view. 1, 2, 3. So that is that little edge loopy, and then we will just turn and work back. And so we've just turned the whole thing, and the next stitch is worked on the body of the shawlette, and we'll keep going. Anyway, that's the little edge leaf, and that's the extended single crochet. And when you're done with this project, you'll have these little edge leaf pieces hanging off the side, and that is these here. Okay, so fun. I love integrating the edging into my piece. And you can see in the actual project, it's a little bit smaller yarn. So here's the chain 4, there's the double crochets, there's the next chain, and they're worked in the side. So it looks like a little cross hatch here. So where it's like you did those, and then you came and worked those like standing on the side of the last stitch. Okay, so it's giveaway time. So many of you already have the book. Thank you very much. If you don't have the book, you can get it from Amazon, or you can email me and see if I have any signed copies left. And signed copies, or on my website at ellengormley.com. I'm running out quick, so while supplies last. This is now September of 2019, so when you're viewing this, take that into consideration. To contact me about them, you can also email me at ellen.gocrochet@gmail.com, or just message me in the comments below. All right, so for the giveaway today, I'd like you to, what should I say? Tell me whether or not you've ever done an extended single crochet in the comments below. And anybody who has a US mailing address will go randomly into a drawing to win 1 skein, the skein used in the Corner Garden shawlette, the Lorna's Laces Atticus Colored Honor yarn, 70% baby alpaca, 30% silk. It is a gorgeous yarn. It is so incredibly soft. I cannot even describe it to you. So soft and squishy. It is a size 3 yarn, and I think for this pattern I may have used a G hook. I'm not even really sure. It was a smaller hook. You only need 1 skein because, hey, this is 1 skein crochet. So you only need 1 skein. I will send you what you need, the 1 skein, to make the Corner Garden shawlette. So leave a comment in the comment below, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Those are the things needed to enter this giveaway. If you have a US mailing address, you need to say whether or not you have done an extended single crochet, and you need to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay? All right. I'll put a link in the description below on how to get the books. And I hope you have a great day and have enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much. Bye.